the first to know Nsem-Pii TV.
Enkomodia ene koswa still in fact the ekoso enano ejuadei ewo the greater Accra region, the Accra metropolis to be precise. The damaging effect of flooding. Na oshe various news portals almost the entire city are submerged. Lives have been lost. According to NADMO, nipa bese dunkono ena ashri omo enkwan as a result of the flooding of the Accra city. Properties are said, according to NADMO, they are estimating close to 1 billion Ghana cedis with respect to properties are Ghana for this year akure yani nyina as a result of flood. Interestingly, Osha Ghana bakosemua flooding as an issue in Greater Accra enyene nebeshase. It dates back from 1968. This is according to the World Bank, the Accra Metropolitan Assembly, and after the Ministry of Water Resources, Works and Housing. 1968, and a Ghana record though the first flood issue ewo Accra. And atwa swadia besi ne the multi-billion-dollar question is abaya ko abaya ba edie na ye to curtail such a problem. Politics about them. We ba wasi asumesi ye na koduru se yankasei enka hwa giska no de ye sa na de namu sa, and every salient issue in this country that pertains to life and properties has been politicized. Now, interestingly, komodie bi koso esre World Bank akasa komodie ne say yes, His Excellency Nana Addo and na ban ko je $350 million the free World Bank. Say omodi beye adwuma Accra na ensu yire ho sensem no aye 10 of the past. Sika no ma che de o ma fa anye enu ti na be wie de eni yewie. Former President John Mahama, we use the word former president because Sabrina no a campaign no a former president and nay sitting president. Crack can be say His Excellency Nana Addo and na ban akwajiska the free World Bank. So mo de be ye drains, so mo de be construct storm drains, you drains. Omo de be ye the certain, omo de be protect buffer zones. Ni nyina sika no omo de omo amfa anya djuma. Enti ono oba obeye something different. Okan during the campaigning process. Ene oba ye hunu de wo yibia. Flooding is ye nipa hwede won kwa na japade sei as usual. Ena the mad dogs ato de agu social media. Hey, Cecilia Dapa, yakwaje World Bank sika buy Cecilia Dapa je e dia hye ne mpase. Say na kura bia nim. The GARID project, the Greater Accra Resilient and Integrated Development Project, initiated by the erstwhile President Nana Addo administration in 2019. Na a project na eba ababe boa. Na ama Greater Accra, their friend resilient and have a risk reduction in flood management. Now the time frame for the project now from 2019 to 2027. Yeah, now the leading organizations are the Ghana Ministry of Works and Housing, the Ministry of Sanitation and Water Resources, the Ministry of Local Government, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, of the Ministry of Decentralization and Rural Development. The WAMO and the key organizations are Najumedi Eshawamasa. Now, Osha of the financing na a facility from World Bank, totaling $350 million. Said the Nama Bontia. But interestingly, what him say, according to the World Bank, Sikan Kasa no ma disburse as at 2024. Yana His Excellency Nana Addo Kufuor Addo aban so. Na ye $250 million. World Bank chirimwa. Emu $200 million. Aban no jai in the coffers. Emma from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the Ben Heritage scam. The 50 out of the 250 and His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo enya ya or this share dwumadi ase ya Ghana fo nyina bedia dance construction of drains or door the certain ya de na ekoso enti dete bebre ba se wo mu ye nyina no they came and met $200 million from World Bank sitting in the coffers the anko World Bank na update is World Bank update is see a masem na making na said the be ya be mu san se ma make me nia tonti no yanko tie said ye kwaku dawuro ene god asare be di akota asa no pay omo breaking news from World Bank e kire say $200 million of the GARID project yeah eno na ebe ensure say the flooding in Accra has been kept no it is sitting in the accounts aban yi ebe meeting ye meto accommodate this
NPP aban ekono na wa Jessica edi ato for two major projects ene enkran yiri nyina no ato forcing say na enkran yiri nyina no ato force na say oya physical ayimede in krama Eric minim say be possible say obe project here na anka yahwe or say because anope ya na World Bank for nakaso so World Bank says finance ministry's physical control delays GARID project. And the finance ministry for say GARID project na a delay no a World Bank for say GARID project na a delay no a finance ministry and the Akufo-Addo Aircon $200 million aba edaho finance ministry be yi sika no de amomo no opeso ye dollar kofam nti it is sika no da ho onyi sika no me mfa nya adwuma ene last month sterilization were yi 11.5 billion at the free economy nim nti amenko be purchasing power akofam sa na yebuman very sad go on
enti nkomo no na etwa guo no ti obi anso a open this evidence ko World Bank speaks on Greater Accra Resilient and Integrated Development Project 1st of July 2026 ayene sa story ya making can be di achiro so enti ayana sometimes say funny now when issues about the lives and properties of citizens are what the politics run be ba na e hadwen but say obi ya na adwene say the akoso no instead of sitting down thinking outside the box bringing in measures to be put in place to help solve the current crisis then the panel na adwene say what the policies be we keep on reminding them say the era of lies of propaganda of twisting fact no enye dwuma bio now the honorable J. Mensa Kosa former minister ya na sa dwumadie ehye nase esan edi nkomo with Kwaku Dawuro na nyoma wodi etu dwa about this GARID project nyoma na ban under His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo hyase aban yi ba ye wajade gu ho meanwhile the money is sitting in the coffers na amasa atorenchem ni ye nei asie na fe na Ghana man panyiniti helicopter mu nam so se o assess meanwhile $200 million meant for the Greater Accra Resilient and Integrated Development Project is still sitting in the coffers now. You will be marveled. Enti yanko na yanko ti the honorable Martin J. Mensa Kosa former minister ya na GARID project yi ehye nase enkomodia woni Kwaku Dawuro edi na no pe yanko na yanko gisa enkomodie no so enfanto aso
amani yes say ye drain say ye water withholding ponds near the day ye sika ye sika ne bi tine yanko World Bank ne kope bosia because any solution ye wa is the solve problem no mini ane ye kwena koje $350 million say the be be a friend of GARID project GARID Greater Accra Resilience and Integrated Development Project sa GARID no ni fire by nyina na makachro me starting some church way maybe am make kesu dem apart from that GARID policy no and they the only flood mitigation policy Ghana my you could say and NPP abai Ghana my ya transi afraining before AKBS is a comment that was a flats on crime the only existing policy and not to be my beer GARID abai is a case it can first $200 million second $150 million. I mean, over 500 million cedis be say 450 and ko pede be me fan ka ho me da me share garage na nkasa e si gina say ye no me ya say ukọ wager ukọ kaneshi ukọ atmota uba from junction uba Paloma Nima ho ukọ Bank of Ghana quarters uba VIP Takrady station. He said all these places ni na projects or na shasia e be do 50%, e be 60%, be 80% because I feel na shasia. I think a storm drain, a storm drain I mean you can see like the likes of Odoa and na sunna mo yo e move and pay for some community. You say kroma na sebe fufi antwata. And you free akonyo. You free akonyo mo wa obeti say eh mo kwaje GARID sika na mo deploy COVID na mo di ye. To me as ranking member. It's not to suffer. What's a housing minister? The deputy. And all the technical staff. About Parliament House jobs 600. Committee meeting. See the person who the state of GARID. Na sikana NDC for the above Samania do mama cable simply say and before the you know. I want to know what are their finances, the state of their finances. Meaning, as well make a so videos. But video is on record. Minister Lenin can again the deputy Gisela everybody. Their GARID coordinator, any ministry technical staff representing here, can't reply right. Nemum a cycle pay $200 million a surplus money. Eso we call we project amabubo di actually we.
Honorable Adaroma, sikane ye 3. Honorable Patonbaum, me ba sikane ye 300 million. Honorable Patonbaum kan. Sikane ye 300 million me boa.
350 million.
Ena sign na aba. But of sign na aba. First tranche was $200 million. And I buy the share to make the asset. Okay.
And to Moya, no, projects are basically no dof. You be more withholding pumps. You be storm drains. You are careful. They apply to the facility IBRD IDA fund World Bank. Now, almost some surplus funds. It's the first amount of the money was 200. Yes, I requested for 150. But by the time I 150 to 2024, yes, I car ye by October. Now you were 200 no surplus kaka. Which about 50.
Okay.
It's here for us to 200 down intact. And now the parliament will be entering challenge.
Okay, so mo MPP efia bemuno na $200 million aba na wo ho amonfa monsan kan nyesa.
Aye GARID you sank kaya you media ya shasia ye mabubo dia to areas no boya
and na mpesa ye establish because and propaganda na say mako gisika na mabidi even to get somebody like Dr. Mantia
yesterday
ebe kan sika na say other pampas
Bejra who's a member of committee making just not making what body committee chairman or pastor what body no be a presentation no say capital crying right. It was not a ministry, no minister, no staff from the buy. Projection, presentation on the wall with the minister present. What was the couple of times that you were even surplus funds of $200 million?
I see.
I also a real project now. Let me say, now I feel you feel by mum. You want to make a movie? She can't say that. Why are you not going to continue? Hey, Omuboha. No makoha, no mabaha, to two papa so I say okay. Chairman, yes, some more World Bank for me. No man in the country says he cannot. Omedia blessing for the edge. Yen copo ye. Now we want to see timelines ne. What advice also for us? Here first second meeting, conference room of Ministry of Western Housing with World Bank team. Ministry of Western Housing team, ye no parliamentary Western Housing committee, technical staff in Africa, near the chassis. The World Bank for catching is a master, yet the mother says, some purpose. ye dia mamo ye kunta bom no mo be 200 million project na mo share say nyina so ego ansa na ban yi firi so eno ane se mo kono mo ko wie mu project ye de ne hwe ka bi na me da me ni bisa minister did you hear what they said? So why is the ministry not acting? The head of the technical team for the ministry, sorry, can I say, Omoko project site no be no moko ye juma na squatters. We smokers ne pocket omo hide or as omo hide it out. Na omo chase you. Hey, Minia. We don't me, I was scandalized. I said, what? Na me tell them where I say, so my customer knew be there. Police were the band and swab chin and nebini.
Hey, yeah, no currency.
I said the floor said it, Obefakono, Omo now Okloma. Na say, Obiti Hona or Nunis not Tiho. Not ye or minded Juma. No one you're quiet for two. Na says, for two or government officials. The full force of the state must be brought to bear on that person. Many of them are because I'm getting thing. End of story. So because I'm minor of Quadrifua. And it's a woo predecessor in the Chicama Mouse. Now by ya. You start to say a Casano. And you have drip coordinator, Mr. Jim. GARID coordinator, Dr. Ohene. Joy FM the Numpo or say Sikano Guho. Project no. Omoji extension for another 1 year no more transformer GARID project in Yana. So she can't be PD, then I will all cast on that person. So she can't keep his way dear. Said a nipper did sumo, said in India goom, no can see no money in your pepe. Massa, yeah, but I'm out for fast as you manage to how. Now, we get through winning power. And then Aquacoya Diabamono. I didn't know Mr. Kadia, na you mushu.
Honorable Wadaroma, we okay ya na mehu first and a year publication on majoronline.com. Or say the World Bank has blamed the physical control introduced by the Ministry of Finance for the significantly delaying implementation of the Greater Accra Resilient and Integrated Development Program project. Yes. And you say
it's so because and people this class and if and
it's a Ninyansa Unibi.
I'm sorry, I'm being harsh this morning.
Honorable, way has Sabe, do baby, I see a fresh space.
Back 1 week. And 48-year-old man. Yes, it toy. Instead by a room to my level, so now I don't know. I don't say, you know, son, a buffalo so at 21 pedanity. But they're not a yakan said. I buy on the doctor Cassan say. Since you're the Tom Libya, or can catch us a young friend, you'll come away. Because a baby, it will put champion wall, no matter on next house. Now, no, dear Dragano. A statue of Momo jump to call you know, a few rivals as an papa pen, you know, and more brother pen, you know, money in the band away. No, sure, on the day, sure say, oh, because on the day, Baumis, or look at the best face when I was free home. Some of which now never show you Kupano demo, 48-year-old man. And I may say, many doctor don't say, dying with her, cannot die, I'm away. The Gusani who will be flow to and say the band on one. We visited families of dead people. You call English, but tell English amount from now almost a doctor dead body in a down. 50 Monday, they see him up to the window. So you heard doctor saying, say, or patch of so woman, my friend, free home.
Very sad.
After 24 hours, people are dying, young and old. Then you come and spill out gibberish, absolute nonsense. Trying to divert attention, trying to play politics, and lie about it. You are lying about it. Even as far as the floor of parliament. Now, what would you What is that?
I'm fan say Ghana for Sebi.
Should everything be about rice? What is this? You've lied your way all around every sector of the economy. You never go say. And you still want to continue in those tracks? Well, maybe the mechanism says, Obia won't need. Just see journalists need to join FM. Obia no say NPP. I will not even want to entertain them releasing a statement. Nonsense. Absolute nonsense. NPP there, I told you that. So what born won't go share the NPP here? You are free to go on that tangent. They are both minds, paid agents to go there and, in this crisis now, the woman spew out propaganda. And it's annoying. At this stage, I can't take it anymore. Still must stop. People are dying. Properties are being lost. Lots of massive investment. Obia Kwakonji Bosia, 1,500 cities, and no 2,000. And then Sahas Kano, I'm sure the call. Min Kansika for me, you mark a be warehouse, Shako Bunaniam and Namushiani. People have been displaced, thousands of them. I would rather say, flat by. People this level. I said I'm lessons about how natural rainfall and then the volumes of rainfall and the what have you. Who says we want to hear lessons about what the causes of flooding is? I see lessons about flooding. You were promising this just a year and a half ago in opposition. Tell me, Banama Bayeni, you didn't have solutions. I feel about chair the different number. Says we know. We want to know from you. We demand answers. Must I know can say any serious country. Because now you have players as a bobo. The players who say behind what they are from. Nothing should be happening. Those who have managed this country sensitive affairs like flooding for the last 18 years have proven incapable. We ought to act. Mr. Now, I buy my clear roadmap. I'm in Parliament. It's your Minister now. I thought now go my roadmap. There may be a chance. Look, there were 3-4 layers of mitigation. Mitigation number 1. We need